When you plug the 615 in, this screen will display. To start setting the time, we want to hold the set button. This will display with the day here flashing. We want to set the day first, so we would use the up and down arrows to set the day. Hit enter. Once your day is selected, it will go to the hours. Again, use the up and down to select the time of day. Remember, this is military time. Hit enter. It will go to the minutes. Again, use your up and down arrows to select the minutes. Hit enter, and you're set, and you're done setting the time. To program the events on the 615, we want to have the display showing the time. Just tap the set button. It will go to event 1. You'll see the days of the week over here that we'll select later. Hit enter again. This is the default setting. We want to make sure we go to our 0000 and 2359 for our start and stop time. So I'm going to go down to 00 here. Enter again. Here's our stop time. We went 2359. 23, hit enter, down 1, enter. Our grade level we want to select for the 615 is 05. 05, hit enter. And then we want to set the days of the week. To do this, all we have to do is hit the up arrow to hit on, enter, on, until we get 7 days a week. And you'll see the little square next to the day light up. And once you get here, hit enter. It'll go back to the event 1, hit set, and you're done. So one of the key features for the Cube 615 is that you can wall mount it. So what you're going to need to do that is the wall mount bracket that comes in the kit. You'll need the installation pieces, which would be the hardware to mount onto the wall. You need a 1/4" drill bit, whether it be masonry or standard bit, depending on what you're going into, and then a screwdriver. And in the kit will be these little knobs. These are actually what screw into the back of the unit so that we can hook it onto the wall mount. And they just have a little pre-drilled hole here that you can screw into. And once you have that done, then you'll be ready to hang it on the wall. So here we have our wall mount bracket up already. You can see how we have it. So the skinny part of the hole is on the bottom. The tabs are out. This allows the knobs on the back to slip on that bracket. You want to plug the unit in before you hang it on the wall. And we're just going to hang it right up there. And then we can leave this down. Now we make sure where you have your electrical cord, you got to have an outlet high up so that it can be plugged in. If the customer doesn't have one, you have to have them install one. And then what we can do is we're just going to open this up with a little key. We'll then take our bottle and our diffuser. So here's our diffuser head. We'll screw that onto the bottle. So it's tight. We'll push that in. And then the last thing we got is a little directional head. That screws in on the top. And that's what keeps the bottle in place. Once we have that in, we can close it up, lock it with the key, and we're completed with the installation.